Have you ever skipped a workout because you didn't have dumbbells or a gym membership? Most people think building muscle requires expensive equipment, but that's the biggest mistake holding them back. The truth is, your own body can provide all the resistance you need. Today, I'll show you 4 bodyweight exercises that can transform your strength, posture, and muscle growth. And make sure you stay until the final exercise because it's the one that delivers the biggest payoff. Your body was built to move, not sit all day. These exercises don't just build muscle, they improve how you move in everyday life. Let's start with the first one. First, push-ups. Think of your body like a moving plank. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core together. Research consistently shows they're excellent for building upper body strength. Keep your body straight, lower with control, and press back up. If regular push-ups are too hard, start with incline push-ups. But here's what makes the next exercise even more valuable. Second, squats. Your legs are your engine. Squats fire your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core at the same time. Imagine sitting back into a chair before standing up. That's the movement. Studies have shown compound movements like squats recruit large amounts of muscle, making them incredibly efficient. Start with 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. And there's one simple movement that fixes a problem squats often miss. Third, lunges. Ever notice one leg feels stronger than the other? Lunges help balance both sides while improving stability and coordination. It's like upgrading the suspension on your car. It makes everything smoother. Coaches often recommend lunges to reduce muscle imbalances and improve athletic performance. But the final exercise changed the way I think about training forever. Fourth, glute bridges. Most people ignore their glutes until back pain shows up. Strong glutes support your spine, improve posture, and generate more power for walking, running, and lifting. Picture your hips working like a bridge supported by strong pillars. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top of every rep. That 1-second pause makes a huge difference. Here's the bigger picture. Humans evolved to squat, push, step, and lift themselves from the ground every day. Modern life replaced movement with chairs and screens. These 4 exercises restore those natural movement patterns while building real-world strength. Here's how to start. Perform 2 or 3 rounds. Do 8 to 12 push-ups, 12 to 15 squats, 10 lunges per leg, and 15 glute bridges. Focus on perfect form, not speed. Stop if you feel sharp pain, and progress gradually each week.